Greetings, Mark Rowan here. We're going to be looking at Microsoft Access right here database and how we can do calculation in it. But what is this Microsoft database? Right? For those who don't know what is Microsoft database, Microsoft Access is a database management system that allows users to store and manage data, create custom application and analyze information. So definitely it allows you to manage the data or you to create custom application and so forth. So now you have a basic understand that get go with it, right? So there you go, right there. So if you notice, we have the ID number right here, we have the item, we have the quantity, and we have the price here. So we want the total for everything. So I'm going to come right here, I'm going to close it. Then you're going to come right up here to create, and then you're going to click right here, so query, design. So right, if you notice this is set here, you're going to click and add. They're going to close this. So we're going to double click this, or drag them, just the same. Double click and everything come up right here. So in this next line, we're going to type the word total here. And remember, all spelling must be correct. And then we click the colon right here. Then press the space bar, give it a space. They're going to type quantity right there. Right there. And then we're going to put multiply, which is the asterisk. So hold on the shift key and press A to get the asterisk. And you will type the word price. Now, when you finish all of that, you're going to come right up here. You notice where it says red run. But if you don't see it right up here, just simply click right here. That's a design and it will show right here. Now, when I click on run, it will calculate everything. So when I click right here, notice up here, show the total and it calculate everything come right down here. So this is one of the way you can actually do a calculation right in your Microsoft Access database. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.